how AI is rewriting the rules of development? Tools like Copilot and Code Whisperer are helping developers move faster than ever. But here's the catch. QA hasn't kept up. Testing is still the bottleneck slowing everything down. That's why we built Qyrus SEER, an autonomous QA framework designed for the AI era. Think of it as the self-driving car of testing. You set your quality goals, and SEER takes it from there, sensing changes, evaluating impact, executing tests, and reporting insights, all in real time. SEER uses what we call agentic orchestration, a coordinated team of intelligent AI agents working together like an elite squad. They detect code or design changes, auto-generate tests, self-heal scripts, and continuously learn from every release. No manual handoffs, no maintenance chaos, just intelligent automation that keeps improving itself. The result? Testing that's 70% faster, 80% less maintenance, and 30% more defects caught before production. With Qyrus SEER, quality isn't a phase anymore. It's built in, invisible, autonomous, invincible. That's the future of QA, powered by Qyrus.